Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2022 VW T-Roc Life. This car comes with the 1.5 petrol turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 47 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 22 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 22,000 miles and comes with full service history from Volkswagen. This particular colour is the Metallic Indium Grey and looks in great condition for age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you have the equally nice, clean and tidy interior. The fabric on the seats is in great condition. There's an armrest and two cup holders there in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, DAB radio and Bluetooth for your phone. A few other features I can mention. The car also has the virtual cockpit display, climate control, automatic headlights and wipers, and cruise control down on the left hand side of the steering wheel. And then finally, on the driver's door card, you then have your electric folding mirror and full window controls. The T-Roc has a lot more legroom and headroom there in the back than the average hatchback. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers have their own air vents, as well as 2 charging ports there in the centre. Opening the tailgate on the T-Roc reveals a nice deep boot there, so nice and practical, with the rear seats that can be split. And you also have the adjustable floor, which is at its lowest point at the moment, but you can increase it if you wish. And below that, you then also get some extra storage there as well. Externally, the car comes with LED headlights, front and rear parking sensors, and the 16-inch alloy wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.